All right, let's clear the air and bust some myths about real estate investing. The first myth is that you need perfect credit, average credit to be able to finance real estate. That's definitely not true, especially if you're doing fix and flips. A lot of my lenders, investors, they'll go 600 and below. But if your credit is below 600, then you gotta at least have cash, have some cash. You gotta have three things to make the deal make sense: credit, cash, or an asset. If you have two of those three, the rest is easy for us. Myth number two is you don't need a ton of money to invest in real estate. If you're creative enough and you're not selfish, you will go to family, friends, and neighbors to be able to invest in the real estate, or you can take some of your savings from your 401k and things like that. You don't have to have actual cash in the beginning to be able to start in real estate investing, because you don't want to start with something that you can't handle anyway. Myth number three, the market's too risky. Everyone's so concerned about interest rates being high. They may go up, they may go down. You can't really worry about the interest rate. You can't really control the market, but you can control what you buy and what you purchase and how you purchase it. Because if you wait till the market goes down or to the perfect time and situation, you got to realize so are 1,000 other people, and I'm pretty sure they got way more money than we have. So we got to get in when the market's tight, and then once it rebounds or adjusts, then we can sell those same people that stayed on the sideline those same properties. Okay, this is myth number four, that a lot of new real estate investors, and some actually experienced investors, think that real estate is a solo sport. They can't find the right team, the right contractors, the right real estate agents. But you will never be successful in real estate if you don't build and create a good team. Like I tell everybody, I'm a LeBron fan. LeBron had Kyrie, and you can think about every great sports player had a sidekick. Batman had Robin. So I'm saying that to say this: if you truly want to be successful in real estate, you have to find your sidekick, which could be Intercapital Funding or whoever you choose. But you have to find a team that you can trust and you can depend on, and to know that they're going to do what they say they're going to do when they say it. The fifth myth, and one that's truly, truly important, is that real estate is passive income. There's nothing passive about watching your money grow. You have to make sure that the money that you're putting out there is going to come back to you. So when people tell you that you just invest in a property and then get a check, unless you have deep pockets and you're real experienced at investing in real estate notes or things like that, on the long side of things, real estate is truly not passive, because you have to go to houses every day, watch the contractors, make sure the contractor is not lacking on their job. That's one. Make sure they're not borrowing stuff and not bringing it back. And you have to make sure your real estate agents are marketing prior to the house being ready to be sold, because you pretty much want to have the house sold before you touch it. So there's nothing passive about real estate. So if you're looking to get into this and sit back on your couch, you might just take it to the casino and bet on three. Stay off Google University and stop letting all the myths that you're reading on Google and your cousin that doesn't have not one piece of real estate hold you back from investing. If you truly want to be successful and you want to make money in real estate, contact Intercapital Funding. We're truly the bank for the unbankable.